So, Crumb Boss, today we're making something really, really cool. I didn't know you actually made it because I was afraid that to recommend something, as usual, because I'm usually afraid. So, Crumb Boss, what are we going to make?
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here. Today we're going to make banana cream pie cupcakes.
I love that.
Yeah, I pretty much invented that.
Okay.
Maybe I didn't, but I did here because we actually don't do this very often. What we do every day is banana cream pie, but cupcakes are all the rage. Like cupcake, everything and anything, everyone wants it. So I decided to do a little variation on a banana cream pie and do a banana cream pie cupcake.
Cool.
Yeah.
Let's make it.
Alright, we're going to start out making the actual cake part because it is a banana, it's a banana batter, it's a banana cake batter. So that's where we're going to start. And again, we've got creaming method, everybody. Banana creaming method. No, just creaming method.
Just a method.
Just a method.
The simple method.
So in our mixer bowl, we've got butter and some sugar. And that's how you start creaming.
Okay. Yep. Hurricane Irene hasn't come yet, though.
Hurricane Irene is on the way. So, okay, creaming method. We've got our butter and sugar in the mixer bowl. What we're going to do to that is add the eggs. And I have my vanilla extract in here. A lot of times you guys say, hey, I didn't see you add the vanilla extract. I always measure out my ingredients, and I put the vanilla with any liquid ingredients that are in the recipe.
Okay.
Alright, so what we've got is that I always scrape down the bowl after I've creamed some butter and sugar, add the egg in there just because you want to get it away from the sides like that. Okay?
Yes.
Now what we're going to do, in this bowl here I've got bananas. Now these are not fresh bananas. Well, they were at one time. But when bananas start to get really ripe, you guys, like if they're sitting in your kitchen and they're starting to turn brown and they're starting to really smell ripe, and you don't want to throw them out. Put them right into your freezer, in the skin and all. Just pop them right in the freezer. Because then you can make banana bread or banana cake or banana whatever.
And go bananas!
Yeah, and it actually...
Go bananas with the Crumb Boss!
Go bananas with the Crumb Boss and the producer.
Yeah, well, we are bananas.
By putting your bananas straight into the freezer like that, as soon as you take them out and let them thaw for about 5 minutes, you have a puree already. You don't have to look at this. All I've done, all I'm doing is mixing it, and it's like basically disintegrating before our eyes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's real fresh banana puree right there. So don't ever throw your bananas in the garbage. Stick them right in the freezer. You'll use them at another time.
Exactly.
Okay, so that was about 3 bananas, and I'm going to then add that to my cream.
I love bananas.
mixture.
I eat them every day.
Yeah, bananas are good. Smell how good that is? You're going to add that to your creamed mixture.
Okay.
And then what I have in the bowl here is some baking soda, some salt, and some cake flour.
Yes.
That I've sifted over here through. Now, this is another alternating creaming because as you notice, there's such a heavy amount of liquid in there. The banana puree now is heavy liquid. So you don't, your mixture's going to separate out if you don't add a little bit of flour to it at this point. A little bit of flour mixture. So you want to just bind it up with that.
Okay.
What I'm really doing here is adding a little bit more, which is sort of like a liquid ingredient, but not really. This is sour cream. Once again, we're putting sour cream into our recipe. We added sour cream to our blueberry muffin recipe, which you thought was kind of weird.
Well, because I thought it was Mexican.
Sour cream adds such a wonderful richness to recipes that really, it'll benefit you to use the sour cream.
Okay.
Alright, so I've added that. Just mix it a little bit. Then I'm going to add in the rest of my dry ingredients.
You love to bake.
I do love to bake.
Yeah.
One time I took a vacation from work and I didn't really have any place to go and I was just hanging around at home. I baked so much in that week that I was off from work. It was insane. All right. And
I go on vacation, I don't do anything. Except drink unsweetened iced tea.
And vanilla vodka with lemonade.
Exactly. And lay in the sun.
So look at this.
And eat guacamole.
Here's my banana sponge recipe, my banana cake, my banana muffins, my banana cupcakes, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, you went bananas.
I went totally bananas.
Go bananas with the Crumb Boss.
All right, so then what you're going to want to do...
You got your ice cream
I got my ice cream scooper because it's really an easy way to portion stuff into these cupcake tins.
Yes.
It's a really very clean way to do it.
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to go ahead and do that. But I've gone ahead and mixed this already, and I've baked some for us.
Okay.
Because what the main part of this recipe. This is like double recipe here on this video. How much time do we have?
We have 5 minutes and 45
All right, it's perfect.
We have a few minutes.
All right, it's perfect.
You have like 4 minutes.
All right, what we're going to do now is continue on this, and I'm going to show you how you get like the banana cream pie part of this. So we've made the cake. You're going to make your batter, pop it in the oven about 325 to 350.
Yeah.
I'd say about 30 to 35 minutes. You know, when you press the tops of them, they spring back. This is what I always meant. See, when I press the top, it springs back up. That's how you know that your cake is done.
Okay.
Right.
Or your muffin or your cupcake.
Yeah. So
these are cupcakes, right?
These are cupcakes, yes. So I'm taking an apple core and I'm coring out the middle because I'm going to stuff these with custard.
Cool.
Yeah.
And is that vanilla custard?
Yeah, it's vanilla custard. So then you guys are going to go back to the vanilla custard recipe.
Yeah.
Mix out a small batch for yourself.
Yeah.
This is what I have here.
All right, so batteries are running low.
Oh, okay. No problem. We got it.
All right, so just do one.
Yep.
All right,
We're
so
going to
just
fill
gonna
it here.
fill it real quick.
See how it's filled?
Cool.
And then I have my whipped cream over here.
Steph's got to. We don't want to lose the batteries on this.
No, we're not going to lose the batteries because then what we're going to do is top this.
Okay, we're going to top it off.
Oh, jeez, it got frozen.
Okay, good.
Top it with whipped cream. I stuck it in the freezer, so my whipped cream top is...
Whipped cream top is totally frozen.
See that?
Oh, cool.
Anyway, you get the idea.
Yes, I get the idea.
All right, and then I like to put a chocolate dip banana chip in there.
Okay.
And then I sprinkle with a little bit of cake crumbs.
A little bit of cake crumbs. So there we have. What do you got, Crumb Boss?
Banana cream pie cupcake. Only at Crumb Boss Factory. Crumb Boss style.
Yeah.